do a bunch of speed runs back in the day. But I'm gonna let one of my friends go on his car. This is one of the guys I used to go back and forth with all the time. Okay, go ahead, Rick, take over.
This is a Tamiya TRF420 3S. Do a little dragging, and it's got a Seiko 8,000 kV motor, SMC 8,000 milliamp battery, the old school Monster 2 Speedo, and a little heavy with the 8,000 milliamp battery, but it'll do. It'll do. And got the TRF shocks, got the custom shock oil, which is a mixture of shock oil and gear dip oil. And I can't think of the name of that cap pack. With the audio grade capacitors in it, Nichicon capacitors. But it's only ran it twice, so it should be pretty good. Got the 8mm connectors on it, and it's extra large foam tires, and she's ready to go. She's ready to go.
Hey, you clocked me up?
I ain't clocked it yet. I just 2 passes on it, and just trying to get the trim down.
Get it dialed in.
Yeah. Running a pretty conservative gear ratio. Just like maybe 132 foot, maybe.
More of a drag setup.
Yeah, more of a drag setup.
Okay.
Just more of a drag setup.
Look, you waiting on somebody to drag, huh?
Yeah, I'm waiting on somebody to drag with me.
Y'all in the Memphis area, y'all contact me. He'll drag race with you.
Yeah, it's just 3S, but it's heavy, but it move out.
Got some weight on it.
Oh yeah, it move out though. And so I shouldn't be that hard to whoop because I'm too heavy.
Yeah, you used to always say that.
I'm too heavy.
that weight work with you on that.
It do. It really does. I think the weight works. It didn't fly in the air last time I ran it from the front. So, but I did lower it since then. And this is a J Concept body. I forgot which one it was. But anyway, and yep, and I got the tires a little wider than normal. A little wider than normal. TRF springs out.
You doing no prep or?
Really no prep.
No prep.
Really no prep.
Well, man, I appreciate that, Rick. Right. Sharing the car, man.
No problem. I'd like to get it on film.
There we go.